Welcome to The Explainer. We're cracking a case today all about one of the world's most important metals, iron. So here's the mystery. How can one single element build us up but also tear everything down? Let's dive in.
To understand iron, we got to look way out into space, inside a massive, dying star.
So stars are basically giant factories. For the biggest ones, though, iron is the absolute end of the line. Once the star's core is full of iron, the fusion just stops. Then it collapses, and boom, a supernova. And this is wild. Every single atom of iron in your blood was made in one of these explosions.
So all that stardust rained down across the galaxy, eventually forming our planet. Let's bring it back to Earth.
Turns out, iron is the single most abundant element on our entire planet by mass. Pretty incredible.
Most of it sank to the center, creating a core that acts like a giant shield protecting us from solar wind.
And back on the surface, iron being so common was a total game changer. It put metal in everyone's hands.
But iron's most important job isn't building empires. It's actually building you. So let's zoom in.
Okay, check out this number, 1 billion. So what does it mean? Well, it's inside you right now.
That's how many iron atoms are in just one of your red blood cells, and they're all carrying oxygen.
See, iron is the key part of hemoglobin. Its job is to grab oxygen and drop it off to your cells.
This is also why your blood is red. And that whole myth about blue blood? Nope, just an optical illusion.
Okay, so iron is absolutely essential for life. But this brings us right back to our paradox, doesn't it?
Whoa, that's the estimated annual cost of corrosion, just in the US. A truly staggering amount of money.
And the main culprit here? Rust. It's just iron's slow, relentless reaction with oxygen and water. So here's the solution to our mystery. It turns out the hero and the villain are the same thing.
It all comes down to chemistry. Iron is just really good at giving and taking electrons.
And this shows the two-faced nature of iron perfectly. In your blood, that electron swap means life. On a bridge, rust.
So the answer is simple. The exact same chemical reaction that keeps you alive is the one that causes decay.
The iron doesn't change. It's all about the context, whether it's building you up or breaking things down.
So if iron makes our blood red, what about those animals with blue blood? That's a story for another time.